And so if you're not generating enough leads, or you're not getting the lead flow that you need to grow, what that becomes is a marketing failure. And so we don't want to be compounding those failures. We don't want to create those failures. And so what we have to do is we have to start in that epicenter and create a great site that is built to convert. And this is one of the things that often we run into with web design. People will focus on making a beautiful website, but not focus on the purpose of that website, which is to convert visitors into prospects, so those prospects can be converted into actual customers. And so we're going to talk through some conversion steps that you can implement on your website to make it more conversion friendly, to make it perform better, so that your lead flow increases dramatically. And of course, what we want to do is we want to consistently convert our website visitors into callers and into leads. And so at the top of the funnel, you're going to have people coming to you through your advertising, through your search engine optimization, through your social media content. If you're blogging, you're going to have people coming through that. If you're doing video content, many ways to drive that traffic to the top of the funnel. What we've got to do is convert more of that traffic as it comes through the funnel, so that more of those viewers are becoming qualified leads, prospects, and customers for you. Now, what happens is when we get that dialed in, you've got crews that are working and you've got a full schedule of appointments. And so that's the ultimate measure of success in what we're trying to accomplish here today. And when you have that, then you've got momentum and you can build consistent growth in your business. And that's what we want to see. Every year, your revenues are growing, your profitability is growing, and there's a momentum. It's not starting and stopping and starting and stopping, but it stays very consistent. And so success looks like this. Your phones are ringing, trucks are running, crews are out doing work, and business is booming.